We walk past thousands of plants every day without giving them a second thought. Yet plants are the foundation of the ecosystems that provide our food, clean water, and support life all around us. At Leon County 4-H Plant Science Camp, youth are discovering what they've been missing and learning to see nature in a whole new way.
Plant blindness is generally a term that refers to the people just seeing green around them. So instead of recognizing, what a rose is and an azalea versus a hydrangea, they just see green. So it's like the opposite of stopping to smell the roses. They just see everything as just some green stuff behind them, not knowing that there's thousands of different plant species around us.
Plant blindness is a concern. It matters because as humans, we utilize the plants around us. There's a lot of plants that are important for different reasons. And being able to identify, understand that there's different plants around us is just a really good skill to have because these plants can be useful for different things. And it helps us to get a little bit more connected to the area we are when we know that what the plants are around us. The purpose of Plant Science Camp is to kind of combat that plant blindness issue and get kids out in nature, paying close attention to the plants around them, drawing the plants, learning the plants' names, learning all the different reasons that plants are important. That's really the main goal of Plant Science Camp.
So plant science is an awesome way to teach environmental awareness because first of all, when you're working with plants, you're getting your hands dirty. And then you are just really, thinking about what is it that a plant needs and, what are the things that, we need to be able to provide that plant for it to survive successfully. If a kid understands, the sun, water, nutrients that a plant needs, and then we kind of start thinking from there, why do we, as any type of animal, need a plant? It connects them to the food web. So, thinking about decomposers in the soil, the sun has energy, all these things that a plant takes up. Well, we have to eat a plant or an animal that eats a plant. And when you really start tying all of that together, it's just a really good example of something that's really basic that is needed in our ecosystem.
Another purpose of Plant Science Camp is to spark curiosity and appreciation for science by giving kids the chance to experience it firsthand. Science isn't just something to read about, it's something to discover. And here, kids get to do just that. Through hands-on activities, they observe plants up close, ask questions, test ideas, and see how living systems really work. It's learning that feels real because they're doing the work of science, not just hearing about it. And when kids are given that space to explore, something special really happens. They start to notice things they might have overlooked before. They get curious. They make connections. Science becomes less about getting the answer right and more about asking better questions. That kind of experience doesn't happen on its own. It takes strong community partnerships to bring it to life. These partners share their expertise, their time, and real-world perspectives to make science engaging, relevant, and authentic.
At the end of the day, Plant Science Camp is more than just plants. It's about opening doors, building curiosity, and helping kids see the science is something they can be part of and something worth caring about.
Discover, explore, and grow with Leon County 4-H.